What's up, my YouTube friends? It's Clark Ken, the Man of Steel. Welcome back to another paintless dent removal training tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I glue pulled a small dent out of this car. This will be 100% glue pull. I'm using a simple hot glue method and a dent puller on this crease. I'm going to show you all the steps how I get a dent from looking like this to this. How to start. You're going to need a blending hammer, tap down, a 91% alcohol, PDR glue tabs, glue, and a really hot glue gun. Find the hottest one you can find. After cleaning and warming the panel, I'm grabbing a glue tab that fits within the dimensions of the dent. Next, I apply the hot glue to the back side of the tab. I stick the glue tab in the dent and grab a wood block and dent puller. I'm using a block to create the proper pulling angle to match a 90-degree pull. I begin pulling the tab up evenly. Next, must remove the tabs to check my first step, round 1 of glue pulling. Using 91% alcohol to remove the glue and tab. I will be using my big dent slapper and knockdown to address the high areas called crowns or pressure rings. This is normal dent pulling and knocking down. This is how to get a dented area up and to lay down flat. Second step, round 2, you're repeating step 1. I'm using smaller tabs. The smaller tabs will fit within the low dented areas. I'm going after the micro lows. Again, using the alcohol to remove the tabs. I will be placing some links down below in the description. I will keep repeating step 1 until the dent is completely gone. Now, how to become more advanced in glue and with your dent puller. Going to be sharing more advanced tips, tricks, and trade secrets. Listen up. You're going to get another dent. Whether you are a DIY guy or an auto body shop tech, don't forget to subscribe, smash the sub, and more importantly, the notification button so I can help you on your next dent removal. How-to method of pulling tabs. There are different kinds of pulls on glue tabs. Everyone has their method in theory. PDR techs like jerking the tab quickly off. Techs like using a bumping method. Some like to use a slow, continual, controlled pull. How do I do it, my DIY friends? For myself, I use them all. I use what is useful. I use what is necessary to get the dented area up. Don't be set in one way, then you are limited. You want to be unlimited in your skill set and your mindset. It's really important to square up your pull. Pull straight in a 90-degree angle. How to on glue setting. There are also different methods how long you have your glue set up. Some will wait 10 seconds, then pull. That's called a wet pull. Some techs will wait till the glue temperature cools down to 70 to 90 degrees, then pull. Some guys will wait even longer. How do I do it? I like the 70 to 90 degree temperature range to pull on tabs. How to choose your proper glue. That will depend on where you live. There is cold climate glue. There is warm climate glue. You will need to read the glue label. There are also different pulling devices. Mini lifters, PDR bridges, slide hammers. Which one should you buy? Well, depending on your budget, I would buy them all. How to fix or how to knock down crowns. When you're using your hammer on a crown or pressure ring, some PDR techs like using a solid hit, a straight on hit. Number 2, there are some like a bounce hit. That's when the weight of the hammer continues to slap the panel as it bounces. Number 3, you can hit the outside of the apex crown, drive the crown back into the dent. How to choose glue tabs. Well, that will depend on your dent. You want to choose the tab according to the size of your dent. And here is some tips and tricks. Large tabs, if you place only a little dot of glue in the center, it's like using a smaller tab. And vice versa. If you have a little PDR tab and you let the glue overflow the tab, it's like using a larger tab. Or you can just buy a larger tab or a smaller tab to fit your needs. There's also placing glue to match the angle or the shape of the panel. Maybe I'll do another video on that, another advanced tip or trick. You will figure out your methods and techniques that match up best with you. As you choose different tools, your method may change. If you have any questions, you could always leave a comment down below. I will try my best to help you out. Learning how to remove dents on YouTube is great. However, learning in person with Clark Ken, the Man of Steel, will speed you up in your learning curve on fixing all dents. Big dents, little dents, creases, huge PDR collision smashes. Matter of fact, one of my videos coming up, I'm going to have a student of mine pulling out a PDR collision on a truck bed. You don't want to miss out on that video. I gave you valuable insider info on glue pulling a dent. I am a 5-time national award winner. You'll be getting great dent content. Thank you for watching my how-to video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're wanting more DIY videos, hit the sub and more importantly, the notification bell. See you in my next video release.